Hello, I am Josh. I'm one of the trainers at SFD, and I'm going to show you how to set up online booking. First of all, when you're looking to create a session type, go to the tooth at the top left and go down to Setup, click on that, and then within the appointment section, go to Session Types. Click on that, and then you will see all the session types there. To create a new one, just go to the New button, click there, and then just type in the name of that one. So if it's online book, for example, and then you can see there underneath you've got a drop down where you can then choose what color you wish that to look like. And then the next important thing is where it says web appointment, just tick that and then save. To apply the session type that we've just created on a clinician's books, go to the books section in the setup and then choose a clinician who you're going to apply it to. Select the day or the time that you're going to be applying the session type to for the online booking. And then if you just click once and go to edit, and then where it has the type drop down, click on that and choose the session type that you've just created for the online booking. Once you've done that, save it, and then you can see there you've got the online booking session type there. Save it again, confirm the date of when it's going to start from, click OK, it'll generate it, and then just simply close off. To now apply it to appointment reasons, just in the appointment section, click on the reasons icon. Then just simply go through the reasons, choose which reason you want to apply the online booking to. And then on there, if you can see, you've got your general. And then if you go along to where it says patient portal, you've then got your general. But what you need to focus on is the practice, and you want to make sure that active patients and new patients are allowed to book on at each practice. And then if you then go across to duration, this is where you would then go to the clinician that you're going to have online booking for. And then at the bottom, you can then select a duration. Now you can mark this as default, which will mark as default for the reason. However, it is always best to just select an actual time frame. Once you've done that, you can then go to the scheme section. You can set an online booking fee. So if we just choose the scheme, you can then see you've got the two different types, so for active and new, and then simply in the two boxes, select the amount that you're going to be charging. Once you've finished, just simply save it, and then you're ready for the next part. Now, to select the criteria for how you want customers to book online, if you go to the patient portal section in the system part of the setup, now you can see there in the general settings, you've got the URL, which is essentially the website that it's going to be on, and then you've got the new patients drop down. So if you want new patients to book on, just simply select that as yes. And then if you go down, you've got the appointment book where you can select if they can book appointments. You've got cancellation up to where you can select if it's 24 hours before, 48 hours before. And then the max appointments is how many appointments a patient can book online. So you can have a maximum set amount. And then you can simply allow if it's booking with any dentist or any hygienist. But again, that would have to be set up as previously done. Once you've done that, if you go to the correspondence tab, and then you can see there for when they've booked an appointment, you can receive some correspondence, whether it be via email or SMS. You've got a cancel appointment, which again, you can choose which correspondence goes, and then you've got your registration there as well. Once you're happy, just click save. And then just to double check, go to the practice section of the system part, double click on the practice name, and then there's a little arrow on the top right of the window. Just click that, go to the portal tab, and then just make sure that in there you've got the new patients marked as a yes as well. Once you've checked that and you've saved it, you're all good to go.